So, like we said, you get academic credits from MTA, math, science, English. Your junior year in the tech lab, you rotate through the different areas and learn about design processes. We use SolidWorks 3D CAD software. We've been doing 3D printing for our robot competition since at least 2008. We currently have 4 3D printers. You'll learn about robotics and automation. We have 2 robotic arms that you learn how to operate and how to program and integrate into systems. Fluid power, so we have trainers in pneumatics, electrical systems, electronic logic, quality assurance, and precision measurement. The manufacturing processes, you'll learn how to use power tools and hand tools correctly and safely. And you'll learn about the engineering process: plan, do, check, act, plan again, redo, fix the things that didn't work, and improve it. Continuous improvement type of problem. Also, all of our students do some sort of an internship. 2 of them are paid summer jobs, and the third one is an unpaid shorter internship. But we like our students to have something unusual, something that stands out on their resumes. Your senior year is the next math, the next science, and in tech, you work on a team to design and build a robot for the National Robotics Challenge down in Ohio. And Lisa, can you give us the next slide? So the math can be anything from algebra 2 to honors trig and pre-calc, honors high school calc, or for those students who are ready, college calc 1 and 2. Right now we have 5 juniors that just finished up calc 2. So next year they'll be taking calculus 3 and differential equations through NMC. So they'll have 16 to 18 credits of math already under their belts for when they go to any college that takes NMC credit. On the science, we offer honors chemistry, honors physics, advanced physics, which concentrates on lasers and photonics and electromagnetic radiation. Our English is not poetry analysis, it's public speaking, technical writing. The students present about their projects a lot. There's a lot of technical writing and reading with it. And our economics is integrated in with our senior English. So we spend the whole year, but there's a half a credit's worth of curriculum in there.